What do you think of when you think of the brand Volvo? I think of efficiency, I think of a car that's extremely safe on the road. I also think of a future that includes electric vehicles. Volvo have had a phenomenal year this year. Cars like this, the XC40 Recharge Pure Electric, and this is such a great vehicle at a phenomenal price point as well. So what am I doing at Killarney International Raceway on a rainy day, you ask? Well, it's pretty simple. Our friends at CMH Motors in Cape Town, Clinton and his amazing team have invited me here to Killarney International Raceway to experience Volvo from an international level. Not only the products that they have to offer, but also the people behind the brand in terms of taking the brand forward. What are they thinking? What's their philosophy? Who they're targeting? Well, all of those questions are going to be unpacked today. Standing chatting with Marcus from Volvo. Marcus, it's lovely to have you in South Africa. It's a brand we love in South Africa. It's a brand that's done very big things this year. We think of the move to electric, we think of how well and seamlessly you've done it, but I mean, this is what we've come to expect from the brand. The brand is innovative, a word you might not have associated with Volvo 20 years ago, but in 2023, when it comes to innovation in the motor industry, Volvo are leading the way.
Yes, because I mean, we have such a lot of great things in our cars.
Spot on. You do. And you know what I love about it is the DNA in a Volvo. If you've ever driven one, and trust me, drive one, you will never drive anything else. The DNA is phenomenal. You can get into any of the range of the vehicles and you can sense you're in a Volvo product. There's everything about it that makes you feel that you're in a great environment that's catered to as a driver and as a passenger.
Yes.
And I think about the app, the technology that you put into making an app that's incredible as the Volvo app, the usage of that, the ease of use,
Yes.
the fact that it's, in that section of the market, there's nobody else doing what you're doing with technology. But you haven't made it difficult for drivers to adapt to the systems that you have.
No, but I mean, and that's the thinking.
Yeah.
We're a brand for people, for the users.
Absolutely.
So we scale off as much as we can,
Yes.
which is not necessary.
Got
and we
you.
focus on the key things. It's a Swedish brand, and Sweden is also an outdoor country.
Spot on.
We have a car for everyone, and what I really like is next year when we're gonna have the EX30, end of next year we're also gonna have the EX90, which also means that our smallest car and our biggest car are actually gonna be fully electric.
Folks, in South Africa, it's a brand that's not only safe on the road, also not only cutting edge in terms of technology, but it's a brand, ladies and gentlemen, that's cool. I'm dying to see you.
Look at this.
I don't even hear it,
Yeah,
just
it's
cruises
crazy.
past us. The all-electric
It's a nice looking
XC40.
car.
Take us around the track and experience what it's like to be in wet weather in a Volvo.
No, it's good, and I think this is typical conditions of what we face every day in Cape Town.
In Sweden.
Yeah.
They brought Sweden to us.
We're in launch control.
We have a launch control.
Left foot on the brake. Let's go.
That is proper. That is proper. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is good.
That's impressive, eh?
That is
Not
very
bad.
good. Huh? Let's go.
Wow, it accelerates really quickly. That's impressive, eh?
So that's
That's
the
very-
the registered is 3.5, which is quick.
It felt quick.
Yeah. And it's a constant pull all the way through. So you don't have your gears changing.
Yeah.
It just keeps
It's
on
like
going.
to be honest, it feels like elastic band.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
pull it back and you just let it go.
Exactly.
So when you think of Sweden, you think of the house mafia, you think of?
Swedish massages.
Think of? Hey man, that's a sweet ride. Get it? Sweet?
Yeah, I got you, I
Anyway,
got you.
what a great time out at the track. And of course, you got to experience it in wet conditions on the track as
Yeah,
well.
stopping power is really good, and obviously with electric, it de-accelerates when you come off the throttle, so it has no problem stopping in these tricky conditions. So
Tricky conditions, from conditions like this to sunshine to perfect weather. It's a lifestyle brand that is synonymous with safety, luxury, and now innovation and technology. Volvo, brand of the future.
Wow.